Hello beautiful people and welcome to the channel. I go by the name Daniel Patrick and my goal is to enlighten you about this new gold called cryptocurrency. If you're new to the channel, be rest assured that the future of money is here. Alright, so today's video is going to be about Ethereum. Alright, how to add your Ethereum address to the ETH app using OKX Wallet. Alright, how to add Ethereum address in your ETH app using OKX Wallet, which is the recommended wallet by the ETH core team. Okay, for some people they used Trust Wallet, MetaMask Wallet. If you use Trust Wallet or MetaMask Wallet, this video is not for you and you have nothing to worry about. Okay, I believe if the ETH core team had recommended that first, then they would always find a way to resolve things or resolve issues when things go bad. So you have nothing to worry about. So for those of us who haven't yet linked our Ethereum address to this very app right now, which is the ETH Network app, I'm going to be teaching you how to do that in a moment. So the first thing I want you to do right here is to read updates. Okay, to read update. But before we jump into this update, I want to give you an update right now. If your ETH current balance is low, below what you have before, all you have to do is to watch the video that is displaying on the screen right now. You can check the description of this video to see that very video. Okay, so watch that video to know how to fix that. All right, you don't have to panic. There's nothing you have to panic about. So without further ado, let's get back into this video. So the first thing first, to add your Ethereum address to your ETH app is to read updates. Okay, very important. And I'm going to be showing you where you get that update, all right, where you get to be able to read updates about this. So first thing first is to click on this section, all right, which is the news feed section. Now this update came a day ago as at the time of creating this video, and as you can see, it says OKX Wallet, the official non-custodial wallet for partner of ETH. Now I'm going to click and open that. So right now, once you click on that, it's going to lead us to this very page right now, which says OKX Wallet, the official non-custodial wallet for partner of ETH. Okay, now we are thrilled to announce our partnership with OKX Wallet. Now, designating it as the official non-custodial wallet for the ETH ecosystem, this partnership is a testament of our commitment to offering our users a secure and user-friendly digital asset management platform. Now, I'm going to read this through. It's not long, okay? But the reason I'm reading this is just to explain some certain things to you. Okay, so pay attention and don't skip any part of this video so you don't miss out on any information. Now, OKX Wallet stands out as a premium non-custodial wallet solution. Now, what is a non-custodial wallet? A non-custodial wallet is a wallet that you have all access to, all right? No one has access to. Okay, so as you can see right here, it says providing unparalleled control and security for your digital asset. It ensures that only you, okay, only you as the user have the complete custody of your assets. Feel free from external control, including OKX team itself. Okay, so only you have access. It's not like the one you lose your password and you change password. That's a centralized way of doing things, but this is decentralized, just like Trust Wallet and MetaMask Wallet. Okay, so we highly encourage the ETH ecosystem to adopt OKX Wallet for managing their Ethereum addresses. Its seamless integration with the ETH platform offers an intuitive and secure transaction experience. So this is the recommended wallet and no longer Trust or MetaMask Wallet. So a key feature of OKX Wallet is a direct compatibility with DeFi services like Uniswap. This is very important, guys. So this allows ETH users, you and I, to effortlessly trade and swap ETH tokens within the wallet, connecting you directly to the expansive world of DeFi. Now, getting started with OKX Wallet is simple. Users can download the app or its browser extension, set up or import their wallet, and securely manage ETH holdings or OKX Wallet advanced security features, including a unique seed phrase and additional biometric protection. So this provides peace of mind about the safety of your digital asset. Moreover, for those new to OKX Wallet, there is a comprehensive step-by-step guide available on the official website. Now, this guide walks you through the process of creating and managing your OKX Wallet, ensuring a smooth and user-friendly experience. In summary, our partnership with OKX Wallet marks a significant milestone in enhancing the ETH ecosystem by recommending OKX Wallet as our preferred non-custodial wallet. So this is our preferred non-custodial wallet, and whatever is recommended by any crypto mining app or project, please go with it. All right, that will be the best option for you. Always go with it. So like they said, by recommending OKX Wallet as their preferred non-custodial wallet, we empower our users with a tool that is In harmony with our vision of a secure, decentralized, and user-centric digital currency landscape, we urge all ICE users to utilize OKX Wallet for a complete secure crypto experience and to refer their official guide for easy setup and navigation. So what we're meant to do now right now is to click on this very link right now, and it's going to lead us to the official site. Or go back, okay, let me go back to the home section of my ICE app, okay, and then scroll down and click on Ethereum address right now. Now if I click on Ethereum address, it's going to show the display this very page, right? And we're meant to add our Ethereum address right here, but it says secure your coins with OKX Wallet, our trusted self-custodial official wallet partner. So what we're meant to do is to click on this download OKX Wallet, all right, this very download button right here, but it's going to lead us to the official site. So clicking the link in the newsfeed section or clicking this link is still the same. It's still going to lead you to this very site, and as you can see, it says your portal to Web3. Now you can connect your wallet. That is for people that are using PC, and as you can see here, we have the download button right here. But I just want to show you something, right? There's a lot you can do with this wallet, which is talking about NFTs. You can explore the NFTs. You can swap any crypto across any network. I believe the ICE core team wants to integrate ICE network coin with the OKX wallet, so swapping would be easy, all right, for the ICE team or ICE miner. So you can even earn more on your portfolio, all right? There is a lot of testimonies about this wallet. A lot of people like this very wallet, okay? So, and as you can see here, there are 3 icons, all right? If you're using Apple device, which is an iOS device, you can use this. For Android, you can use this. I think this is the APK download. And the last right here is the Google Play Store option, which I would recommend you click right now, or just come over here and click on this. So I'm just going to click on this Google Play right now, Google Play icon, and automatically this is going to redirect us to Google Play Store. As you can see, this is their official wallet right here, just little megabyte, and as you can see the 4.4 star rating right there. So we're going to go ahead and right now and click on install. So once it's done installing, what you're meant to do is to click on open. Now once you click on open, it's going to lead us directly to the OKX decentralized wallet app. All right, it's going to open up right now, and let's see how it looks like. This is my first time of using it, and okay, it says sign up. All right, that's the first thing we're meant to do. So we're going to click on this very right now, sign up and get a mystery box, and it's requesting for our email, phone number, or email, right? Phone number or email. I'm going to be using email for the purpose of this lesson, so I'm going to type in an email that I'm more familiar with, okay, and I'm going to type in, okay, there's no referral code, so I'm just going to sign up. So I'm just going to click on sign up. So Signal is not really okay right here right now, so I'm just going to go ahead and click on sign up again. Okay, and we're being asked to solve this very captcha. So what you're meant to do is to drag this very box right here and make sure it fits into this very field. Okay, make sure it fits into that very place. Okay, and it's an error. We're going to be asked to do that again, so I'm just going to drag this very one right now and fix it in, and it says success rate. Click create wallet, and it says create multi-party computation wallet with your exchange account, or seed phrase wallet, or hardware wallet. So we're going to be going with seed phrase wallet. Now when creating a wallet, keep your seed phrase safe with cloud backing or by writing it down. So I'm going to click on seed phrase wallet, and it says enable fingerprint recognition to access wallet. After enabled, you can unlock wallet or make transaction with fingerprint recognition. Note, if your device recognizes multiple users, they will also have access to your wallet. So I'm just going to click on enable and then place my fingerprint at the back of my phone. Okay, as you can see right now, it's loading up my wallet. It says you are ready for Web3. Okay, so as you can see, 77 network has now been created. So what you're meant to do is to click on start now. I don't know why this picture is not displaying, but just go ahead and click on start now. After doing that, click this horizontal line at the bottom of your screen. Alright, just drag that up and you get to see all networks in this very wallet right now. Now the one you're meant to pick is the one that says ETH, which is Ethereum wallet address. That's what you're meant to pick. So click on that, go ahead and click on receive. So you're going to see this very message that will say to protect your asset, back up your wallet before using it. So we're going to head back right now and click on this black bar right here, this big bar right here. Okay, just click on that back up now to back up your wallet. Alright, this will lead us to the backup page. So as you can see here, it says back up your wallet. If you lose the device or uninstall the app without backing up, you will lose your asset forever. You can click on back up via the methods below. Now the first one is Google Drive. Now save secret to Google Drive easily to restore wallet. Now while the second one is by writing it down. So the best method right here is writing it down. And as you can see, it says things to remember. If I lose my seed phrase or private key, I won't be able to recover my assets. Second is, if I share my seed phrase or private key with anyone, they can get a hold of my assets. And the third is, I understand that I am responsible for saving and protecting my seed phrase and private key. So the keynote here is that your seed phrase should be kept safe at all times. Do not allow anyone to get a hold of it. Do not share it with anyone, alright? Always keep it safe. Write it down on a piece of paper and make sure that no one has access to this, or else anyone can do away with your assets. Okay, so once you're done reading this, what you're meant to do is to click on that start button right there, and you'll be asked to fix in your fingerprint so that this app can integrate with your fingerprint and know that you're actually the owner of it. So as you can see here, the message clearly reads, do not take a screenshot of the seed phrase. You can write them down in order and keep it safe. So do not take a screenshot. You can read the rest of the instruction for yourself. So go ahead and click on done and next step. Now this will lead you to the page that will ask you to verify your seed phrase. Okay, as for me, I was asked to identify word 5, word 9 and word 12. Now you'll be doing this after you must have written down your seed phrase. All right, write it down in a diary or jotter and keep it safe. All right, keep it in your most safe box. Okay, so I'm just going to identify seed phrase number 3, number 5 and number 10, and then go ahead and click on continue. In your case it might be different, it might not be the same. Okay, so I'm just going to do that right now, and then go ahead and click on continue. Again, do not share your seed phrase with anyone, no matter how you trust them. So as you can see now, we have now successfully backed up our wallet. So we can now go ahead right now and drag this horizontal line right there back up to copy our Ethereum address and merge it with the EYES app. So I'll just go ahead and click on Ethereum right now. As you can see here, you can just go ahead and copy it right here. But the traditional way of doing this is to click on receive and then click on the top right hand corner of your screen right there. Click on that copy icon on the top right hand corner of your screen right there, and then your wallet address will be copied. As you can see, successfully copied. So you just head back to your EYES app right now and locate the Ethereum address bar right there, and then click on that. So once you click on that, just long press and hold that field you're meant to paste in your Ethereum address in, and this very message is going to pop up right now. Now this message reads, please note that the individuals who have added an Ethereum address to their accounts are not eligible to become one of the top 300 validators as per our white paper for Mainnet launch. Now the chances of you becoming a validator is slim, because it would be a thing of the top miners. So if you don't have a million coins, then there's no need for you to become a validator. Though this might increase and this might decrease, no one knows, but it's best you just link your Ethereum address. So I'll just go ahead right now and click on confirm address to successfully link my Ethereum address to this very app. I'm going to paste that right there and then click on confirm address. So again, the recommended wallet is OKX Wallet. Now once you have pasted that in, just go ahead and click on confirm address, and you see this message that will pop up and say, are you sure that the Ethereum address is correct? So you have to make sure it is correct, then click on confirm, and your Ethereum address would be successfully linked to this very app right now. So as you can see, this address is now displaying on your home screen. Now if you click on that ETH address field again, you will get to see that this address is also displaying in the field you were meant to post or paste this before. So this is to tell you that OKX ETH address has been successfully linked to the EYES app for withdrawal. So here's a quick rundown of everything on how to add your OKX ETH address to the EYES app. So what you're meant to do is to click on the ETH bar right there. After clicking on it, you download from Play Store or Apple Store or wherever it leads you to from the site. After downloading, you head over to the OKX app and create your account. After you're done creating your account, you back up your wallet. After backing up your wallet, you go ahead and slide that bar right up there and then click on Ethereum. Select Ethereum and then click on copy, which is that wallet address right there. After clicking on copy, you copy your wallet address, come back to the ICE app, paste it in that field. All right, but first of all, you click on that bar. All right, then paste it in that field and click on confirm address. You'll be asked to confirm if this address is right. All you have to do is confirm and then click on the confirm button right there to confirm your address, and that's it. You are done. You have successfully linked your OKX ETH address to the ICE app for withdrawal. Okay, so this is how it works, guys. What you're meant to link to the ICE app is your Ethereum address. Any other address you're linking aside from this is you inviting trouble for yourself. Now, if you haven't joined ICE network, I would really advise you to do that as fast as possible. All right, because this is like another Pi network in the making. So to join ICE network right now, you have to use the invitation link in the description of this video or use my invitation code Danpat. All right, either ways you get to join ICE network, or use my invitation code Danpat by downloading ICE network app from Google Play Store, but it's best you follow the link. Okay, when you sign up, you get 10 ICE bonus. All right, but if you don't use a referral link, you start mining from zero. So this is how it works. Now, if you haven't joined our social media handle, I really advise you to do that. You can join our social media handle, which is Facebook, Telegram, and WhatsApp, using the link in the description of this video. If you have important places you enjoyed in the video and you want to get back to it, you can use the timestamp in the description of this video. So this is it, guys. This is the video I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, leave a like, and if you don't want to miss out on important updates like this, because I'll be dropping updates on ICE network, then you want to hit that red subscribe button and turn the notification bell on so you don't miss out on any updates at all. Until I come your way next time, I remain your crypto guide, Danpat. Stay safe.